Alright, now we're in the town of Megalochori. Just gonna walk around and see what's up. Yeah, we're in Greece, Santorini. Let's get it. Oh, I meant to say it's Megalochori, not Megalochori. Just a slight exchange right there. But yeah, I'll show you the sign right here. It says, welcome to Megalochori. We're in Greece and just gonna walk around, check out everything. Let's get it.
I got torch.
So if you have noticed well, you can see that they have carved the
if they continue someday, we will go to each other. So they're very strict now. That everything is how to say, checked. That this hotel has so much that room, that amount of rooms. So nobody steals. If you continue doing that, that's why they start with the law of the buildings, because they want to be sure that nothing is going to be destroyed by nature. No, the ones in the cliffs already.
Limestone. What the limestones do absorbs everything, even the heat of the food. Do you remember that I have mentioned?
Yes, that's St. Mary. Here on the left is a monument of the people that died in World War I. For this place, there are other places, other places. Their names are in these places.
War Memorial.
Ano, solo ka muna, wala ka solo. Wait, patala natin kay Robert. Ha? Did you want us to take you?
Yeah, thank you, though.
it was, and that's a monument for the character of their life, the battle, of course. And to honor them, you know, make a small statue memorial which have names in the day. So guys, I used to live here 29 years, so I'm going to show you my kindergarten school.
Come on, this big problem.
So from this village to the biggest supermarket we have here, it takes me with my bike 30 minutes. With my car in the village, it's only 10 minutes. So I save time.
Ça marche. Des milliers de gens qui regardent.
Mais évidemment.
Alright guys, so this was it, Megalochori in Greece, Santorini. Hope you like it. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe, like, all that good stuff. You already know what to do. See you guys. Peace out.